Greetings, fellow creators. Get ready to embark on a creative journey with Imagine AI Art Generator. Today, we will explore how to craft exquisite house designs. Let's begin this architectural adventure. Step 1. Launch your creative expedition by entering your Imagine AI Art Generator dashboard. Step 2. If it is not already in default mode, click on the text to image icon. Step 3. Now, it's time to breathe life into your architectural vision. Forge a creative prompt such as craft a serene Japanese-inspired home, boasting minimalist design, elegance, and a tranquil rock garden. Step 4. Ignite the magic. Click the Generate button and let the power of AI do its work. A moment of anticipation, and Step 5. Behold the evolution. Witness your architectural imagination materialize into brilliance. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on Generate again. And there you have it. Crafting house designs with Imagine AI Art Generator is a journey of imagination and creativity. Start bringing your unique architectural visions to life today. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.